Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay! Today I'm gonna do another makeup transformation. You all know how we do it here. So I'm gonna be doing Anya's makeup. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Well, she's been here before, so she's here again, guys. I'm gonna be doing hair makeup transformation, and so I'm gonna be talking through this video. You guys stay tuned if you wanna see the transformation process. Ooh. Yes, guys.
I love what you think. I love you, look funny.
Oh my god, yeah, I know. You guys, this is from Nigeria, in case you're wondering where she got this from. From Nigeria. So girl, take this off, let's get started. Let's see your hair. Yes guys, look. Yeah, so now I'm gonna do the edges. So the edges is ready for the wig. Just take the edges. Before any wig installation at all, these edges need to be on flake. This is how you get the edges looking neat. And there's no how you're gonna pin it here. So what I do is I take this out and I put an elastic band.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's no point. Guys, I always take this thing out. There's no point. Do you think that style is gonna suit you?
No.
I don't get knocked
I don't
down.
do middle parts. No more.
There's always time to try something.
I feel like it makes my head look like flat.
Why? You have their face like a model face.
I mean, you can try it. I always do
With
that.
the makeup that is popping, yep. Anything looks good, your makeup is popping. I feel like I said that word a lot. Popping. Popping. I'm gonna cut the ear out, like so. Yeah.
Turn like this so they can see.
Oh wow, girl. You know the thing. You know the thing. Yep, 6. So now I'm gonna just put the rubber band, and I will stain the lace with foundation.
Yeah.
I'm gonna apply foundation under the lace, so it's more realistic. The hair is good because the front is already pre-plucked. Yeah, it's already pre-plucked, so it's good, very good. Already pre-plucked, it looks very natural already. So yeah. We're gonna put the elastic band, guys, and apply the foundation. Look how it looks. So yeah, first of all, the elastic band. Okay, guys, it actually came with the elastic. So guys, it came with an elastic band. Elastic band. A nice measurement. Wow, good. Just to be safe, I'm just gonna. I love the background though. You feel it's too plain?
I think it's fine.
I think, you know why? We're so used to that background.
Yeah.
Because because you can see so many things happening. This is just like, you don't know, but this is fucking kid.
This is like focus on the model. Focus
Yeah.
on what I'm doing.
Don't look around, don't look at my background.
Don't look anywhere else. Just me, you, the camera.
Yeah. I like it because it's more king vibe.
You see, I'm gonna.
I know why people wearing black though.
What do you mean?
You came wearing black, I'm already wearing black.
I'm always wearing black.
You're always wearing black?
Yes.
Really?
Black is my colour. The only reason I wore white last time is because you put it on me.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I always wear black.
Oh.
And I like it with the jeans.
So guys, I've already attached the elastic band, look. So now I'm gonna apply the foundation on the lace to make it look natural. So if you hold it, let's do it together. Let's do it together. Together. So yeah, this is how you get to, this is how you get to stand there with, like that. See? Wow. Amazing.
You can glue it.
Yes, girl. Not glue, but got to be. That's not glue, but yeah, it's supposed to be glue.
I like it.
Girl.
Why do they always put so much lace at the front?
I know, like anyone will leave it, isn't it? That's stupid. That foundation is big, guys. Since I discovered foundation, I don't even bleach the knot anymore. It's good to bleach the knot because bleaching up the knot, I think the only thing it does is, when you put it on your parts, it makes the parts a little more obvious. That's what it does. But as for the scalp, foundation does the trick. Your edges down, you can take it for a longer time. All you need to do before you go to bed, that edges, you see well tied whilst I'm doing your makeup. Yeah. That's how you should tie when you're going to bed.
Do I have to put extra on it?
No, just tie it. Sometimes you might, if you see that it's looking funny, you might want to put extra. If you tell that if you see that it looks like it might not last the next day, you can put extra. Okay. But if you have a legging, just go and cut it. Just do it. Yeah, so guys, make sure it's very tight, like very tight. That's the secret. Nothing. Yeah. Just gonna be the extra.
Can you use this on natural hair as well?
Yeah. Do you know the girl I did a ponytail?
No.
I'll show you the video. Yeah, just on ponytail.
And it works?
I'll show you the video.
Okay, cool.
But you can straighten your hair before though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I haven't used heat on my hair in a long time. I'll just leave it, and then when it grows, I'll wash it, and then I'll get corrosion done.
Oh dear. This is good, you know why? The style I'm doing it for one woman on Sunday.
Oh, okay. So it's for
pigtails. So it's a good thing I'm doing it. Yeah, so guys, this is all you need to do. Girl, turn around so they can see you. She's already popping. But look how slick the hair is, guys. Yeah. Wax is big, guys. It's time to slick the edges, guys. Slick the edges. Slick the edges. Got to be to slick the baby hair. So first of all, I love to apply here a lot because this is a big that kind of goes up a lot. So yeah, look over the stuff that you need to do.
Yeah, I don't know. One of my friends can do it for me. I'm so lazy with all of this stuff like makeup.
Yeah, so it looks like makeup you go too. Edges is laid. Look at that. My girl is ready to do her bun at the back. But before that, I'm gonna give it a quick blow dry, tie it down, then do the bun because sometimes the bun. So guys, wipe the excess before you tie it down. That way, when you apply the makeup, it's not gonna look funny. So guys, I'm gonna use this. I bought this from eBay. I'm gonna put the link down below. So yeah, just gonna use that. Tie down. So hold here. That's it. Showing. So yeah. So guys, the hair is all curled up. Well, this drama, love drama, so something to give you guys. In the face. brow skin, bro. You should know. Always wipe. I love moisturizing. Now I prefer love moisturizing together. Yeah, glove. Yeah, a little bit of glove. Yeah. Shine NW40. Take on. Oh god. Foundation you all. NW45 from MAC.
The middle of my face is yellow, the outside of my face is orange.
Yeah, because that's why it's like natural highlight. Foundation, I love to conceal or highlight. Because I mostly use concealer, that's why I call it conceal. But you actually have to highlight on the eyes, even though when you have an bag, like on the eye bag, you kind of have to make it seamless. So yeah, highlight with a concealer or foundation. This is Ele mascara. I love it. You guys know I love Ele mascara. I've used Ele mascara in a lot of my videos as well. So sometimes I don't feel the need to talk what I'm using because I feel like everyone knows what I use. Because I use almost the same thing every time. Don't blend it in. Then you come to the middle. I don't need to check, I'll just repeat what I did. Yeah, whatever happened, so.
Something's happened.
When you define the nose area. Brush, look at my brushes. It's captured, light, snatched. Foundation color that I use that to contour, which is NW45. Using that to set the contour area, set the cheek. So I'm literally setting all the areas that I did not apply the setting powder. Brows time! Brows time! With my brow pencil. So, yeah. I'm going back to the concealer or the foundation I use under the brows, Ele mascara. So I'm going to put close. Yeah, so I think when you put closer, I feel it's more relaxed. I didn't know this one like what you did before, no?
We did that one before.
Okay, yeah, we can do this. Let's do two color then. Let's do this and this. Okay, girl. Yes. Morphe brushes. Morphe, let's use this then. Let's use everything here. Everything here. Yes, so guys, we're gonna be using Morphe 24G Glam Grand Glam. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna start with this crease color. This one here. Yes. I think I'm gonna start with this color here. Crease color. Okay. For the main color, I'm gonna apply another coat of concealer. Just out. Yeah, so Morphe brush, Morphe palette again. So I'm gonna use this one. Oh no, not that one. Sorry, this one and this one. This and this. Okay. See, sometimes I feel like it's gonna crease. Maybe because I'm so used to MAC shadows. So each time I use another shadow, I feel like it's gonna crease. So. Yeah, Yeah, so guys, here you kind of blend it together here. When you get to this place, you just blend it a little bit together. Like so.
Long and straight.
Yeah.
No red top.
See red top. Just want it to look very soft. Very soft, very soft. So yeah. Yeah, so guys, gel liner. Ignat gel liner. Yes guys, so now we're gonna stick the lashes on. I think after the lash I might extend the line a little bit. So guys, ta-da! Lashes guys. What's it called? Senior, I don't even know what it means, but yeah. Shades.
So they sent to you?
No. Oh yeah, maybe. Look at this thick look.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Wow.
Lashes. So now we're gonna line to seal the lash band. You're feeling the tickle at it. You feeling it? Like, how much is eyes? Like, what do you mean? It's the same price. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Literally, the eyes is where you can do your foundation. Anybody can actually do your foundation if the eyes is done well. Yes. Yeah, so up to the edges. Why? Why do you like a baby? Guys, I'm just doing finishing touches. This is the finishing bit where you just blend everything together. This is my favorite part. This is where I just blend. Make sure everything is blended in. Blush. Let me use this blush. Yeah, peaches.
Yeah, and I'll see with the makeup on.
Yeah, well, maybe wake up because it's like. A little bit of highlighter on the tear dots. God, what is this? A little bit of mascara and then. Side. So guys, this is the final look. So yeah, look at the hair. Big bun at the back, big bun. So yeah, I adjusted the bun because you know I had the head wrap here. So when I took the head wrap out, I just had to adjust the bun because it was loose. Okay. So yeah, this is the final look. Slick bun. So yeah, guys. Ooh. Yes, guys. Yep. Scars. Yep. Finished look. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna put the link to this hair. It's from Best Lace Wigs. Okay, so link to Best Lace Wig is gonna be in the description box. Okay. Bye guys.